Matt, here's the problem you wanted me to explain. So I don't know which one you were starting to set up in the form y equals mx plus b, and it doesn't matter. So let's start with the first one. So if we start with x plus 10y equals 27, then, if you want to solve for y, first we'd subtract x from both sides. So we could write this as 10y equals negative x plus 27. Now, if we divide both sides by 10, we have to divide both sides by 10, or both terms by 10. So we'd have y equals, and we can write this as negative 1/10 x plus 27 over 10. And you can leave it just like that. Now, to finish the problem, you're going to plug that in for your y in your second equation. So the second equation, we have 2x plus 4y equals 6. So we're going to plug that whole expression in for y, and we're going to plug it in with parentheses. So we're going to say 2x plus 4 times negative 1 over 10 x plus 27 over 10. Okay, so we need to distribute the 4, so we'd have 2x, equals 6. Plus negative 4 over 10x, plus, then we do 4 times 27. So that would be 108 over 10. Equals 6. And now you can use your calculator to add these fractions. So if we add 2 and negative 4 over 10, sorry, I'm just getting my calculator out. So, and you can do it by hand too, but 2 plus negative 4 over 10, if we get that back as a fraction, that's 8/5. So we have 8/5 x and then we're going to subtract 108 over 10. So we're going to do 6 minus 108 divided by 10, and that's negative 24 over 5. Okay, so to get x by itself, we're now going to multiply by the reciprocal, so we're going to multiply both sides by 5 over 8. Okay, so here we get x, so the 5's would cancel out here, and the 8's would cancel out, and we would get x equals, the 5's would cancel out, and negative 24 divided by 8 is negative 3. So we get x equals negative 3. Now we're going to plug that negative 3 in here, so we would have y equals negative 1 over 10 times negative 3 plus 27 over 10. So this would end up being 3 over 10 plus 27 over 10 would be 30 over 10, which would give us positive 3. Okay, so our solution would be negative 3, 3. Okay, and to check, if you plug it back in, if we did negative 3 plus 10 times 3, so that would be negative 3 plus 30 is 27, so it works in the first equation. If we did 2 times negative 3 would be negative 6 plus 4 times 3, which would be 12. Negative 6 plus 12 is 6. Okay, so that's our solution. So let me know if you have any other questions.